Hello and welcome. I'm Nisankar, and today we are going to explore navigation and basic operations in Excel. Let's start with an overview of the Excel interface. Excel provides various buttons and tools like the File button, Formula bar, row and column selectors, Sheet selector, Sheet tab, New Sheet button, Status bar, View button, and Zoom button. These elements help you navigate and work efficiently within Excel. Navigating within Excel is essential for effective use. Excel is organized into cells, rows, columns, worksheets, and workbooks. Understanding how to navigate between these elements is crucial for efficient data management. This image illustrates the Excel interface, highlighting important buttons and tools such as the File button, Formula bar, row and column selectors, Sheet selector, Sheet tab, New Sheet button, Status bar, View button, and Zoom button. Familiarizing yourself with these elements will make your Excel experience smoother. Now, let's move on to basic operations. Excel provides a wide range of operations such as data entry, formatting, sorting, and filtering. Mastering these operations is essential for effective data manipulation and analysis. This table summarizes some basic operations in Excel, including operators, conditions, formulas, and descriptions, taken from educba.com. It provides a quick reference for common operations you'll perform while working with Excel. Entering data and selecting cells efficiently is fundamental in Excel. You can enter data directly into cells or use autofill to quickly populate cells with patterns. Learn how to select cells, rows, columns, and ranges efficiently using keyboard shortcuts or mouse techniques. This image displays basic shortcuts used in Excel for data entry, navigation, formatting, and more. Knowing these shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow and improve productivity. Formatting data helps make your spreadsheet more visually appealing and easier to understand. You can change the appearance of cells by applying different formats such as font style, size, color, borders, and alignment. Conditional formatting allows you to highlight specific data based on conditions. This example demonstrates data with various formats applied, such as bold text, colored cells, and borders. Formatting data in this way can make it easier to interpret and analyze, improving the overall clarity of your spreadsheet. Sorting and filtering data are essential for organizing and analyzing large data sets. Sorting allows you to arrange data in ascending or descending order based on one or more criteria. Filtering enables you to display only the data that meets specific criteria while hiding the rest. This image shows the sort and filter drop-down menus in Excel, allowing you to easily sort and filter your data. Sorting and filtering are powerful tools for managing and analyzing your data effectively. Here's an example of the custom sort modal in Excel. This dialog box allows you to specify multiple sorting criteria to tailor the sorting order to your needs. Custom sorting gives you greater control over how your data is organized. Thank you for joining us today to explore navigation and basic operations in Excel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy spreadsheeting!